Testing 1 2 motherfucking 3. Okay. Hey guys, my name is nyemah, and if you're new here, I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And if you're new, I just said that. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button. And if you want to see how child, I am not used to doing intros like that. Like, I usually just like come in here with like a bare face, but like I think that's a good switch up. I know makeup tutorials are not just like makeup videos in general are like kind of old and just like boring, but I don't know, I kind of find them therapeutic in a way. I'm gonna start with foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, the shade Coconut 355. Also tell me in the comments if you guys like seeing me blend out everything, or just want to like speed through. I'm trying this YouTube thing out again, so see how it goes. I don't just want to okay, that was annoying. I don't just want to do makeup. I do want to do like fashion and stuff, because that's what I'm like interested in. So yeah, it's like fashion, lifestyle, stuff like that. So next I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch, I think. This will get you snatched. I like a really bright under eye, so. I like to look like snatched, so. I would usually use a brush, but I've been liking how the beauty blender blends up my concealer. Make sure that forehead is blended, because no shade, some of y'all's foreheads just look like you put a bababa concealer on and did not even think to blend it all the way out fully. That was really rude how my phone just like cut off after I was putting my concealer on. But I set my face already. I used the Laura Mercier loose setting powder in honey. But now I'm gonna bronze my face using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. And I like to just like put it in the contour area, not the contour area, but like above the contour area. And then I'm going to take it like on my eye. I don't know, you'll see. I don't know how to describe it, but you'll see. It's like I'm creating that cat eye effect, but with the bronzer. bronzer, if that makes sense. So the next bronzer that I use is the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. It's the shade Dark to Deep. And I just use the Sculpt color. After bronzing, I like to use my blush. It's the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush in Daiquiri Dip. I just like keep it on like this area and not like drag it down, cause like sometimes it's not cute in that area, so. I'm gonna do my brows off camera and then I'm gonna show you guys, so BRB. So I did my brows. I like them, I think, I don't know. But next, I'm actually gonna do my lips. I sometimes like switch the orders of everything, so that's why I'm like confused on what to do next. But I just like the way doing lips, not at the end, looks, so I don't look as crazy. So I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut Mahogany, and I'm gonna just like overlap my lips. And then I'm going to fill in the middle. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in Get It On. It's like a warm nude. Okay, my phone does not want me to be great because it just cut off everything after the lips. Okay, it's real cute. The last step, I'm just gonna spray some setting spray. And boom, we're done. I'm just gonna let this dry. And then I'm going to go and pick out an outfit. Okay, you guys, so I just changed into the outfit. I have on this jacket I got on Zara. It's like a leather jacket, like a biker jacket. I have these necklaces from the Irish jeweler. This shirt is from Urban. So on the bottoms, I just have some Levi's. And then I'm wearing my tabby boots, which I love. They're like a nude color, but you can't see it in this lighting.